Fault detection is critical in mechanical engineering to ensure safety, reliability, and efficiency of machinery. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are revolutionizing this field by enabling automated, accurate, and early identification of defects. Let's explore how. The process begins with collecting vast amounts of data from mechanical systems. Sensors embedded in machines continuously monitor parameters like vibration, temperature, pressure, and current, providing a real-time digital pulse of the equipment. Raw sensor data is often noisy and contains irrelevant information. Data preprocessing techniques, such as filtering and normalization, transform this raw data into a clean, consistent format, making it suitable for analysis by AI models. Feature engineering involves extracting meaningful characteristics from the preprocessed data. These features, like statistical metrics or spectral components, are crucial for distinguishing between normal operation and various fault conditions, providing a concise representation of machine health. Machine learning models, often deep neural networks, are then trained on large datasets containing both normal and faulty operational data. The model learns to recognize patterns associated with different health states, enabling it to classify new, unseen data. Once trained, the model can diagnose faults. When new data is fed, the AI system analyzes the features and outputs a classification, indicating the presence and type of a specific fault, such as a bearing defect or gear wear. Fault localization pinpoints the exact location of the anomaly within the mechanical system. This is often achieved by analyzing data from multiple sensors and using techniques like spatial mapping or heat maps to visualize the affected area, guiding targeted repairs. Severity assessment quantifies the extent of the detected fault. This helps prioritize maintenance actions, determining whether an issue requires immediate attention or can be addressed during a scheduled shutdown, optimizing resource allocation. Finally, the system triggers alerts and recommends actions based on the diagnosis, localization, and severity. This proactive approach allows engineers to intervene before critical failures occur, preventing costly downtime and ensuring operational continuity. By integrating AI/ML into fault detection, mechanical engineering gains unprecedented capabilities in monitoring, diagnosing, and managing the health of complex machinery. This leads to safer operations, reduced maintenance costs, and extended equipment lifespan, driving the industry towards a more intelligent and reliable future.